Hi, I'm Matt Toronto, and this is
Kat Toronto, and we are here at AesthetiCare Ward Parkway location celebrating our 23rd annual open house.
23 years. It's amazing, and this is our biggest event of the year, and it's something we look forward to so much. You know, we put a huge tent in the parking lot. We have 20 vendors here selling all kinds of fun stuff. We've got a Nashville recording artist playing. We've got open bar and food. I mean, our goal with this open house is to make it an event that you just don't want to miss.
Live demonstrations, we choose our top 3 types of treatments, so injectables, lasers, body care, and we schedule those throughout the evening. So if clients want to see injectables, they can come on in, come upstairs, see what Botox looks like, ask their questions, does it hurt, how much does it cost, all those things. So it gives them exposure to our team and to learn about the most popular treatments in the industry. You know, and I just love the theme this year, ACU, AesthetiCare University. You can come and learn about all of the treatments that we provide upstairs this morning and throughout lunch. And then this evening, it turns into the true tailgate party. So we've got live music, like you mentioned, we've got fun games, we've got eats and drinks. It's just gonna be so much fun. So we're so excited to get on with the celebration.